Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on this Tuesday morning. And boy, we are starting out with a cool and quiet kickoff to the day. Checking out the live view from Holland to downtown Grand Rapids. We're looking off to the north. And today, one of those interesting dates to note. Today, our official sunrise time is at 7 a.m. And of course, we're counting down to the Labor Day holiday weekend. The beginning of September is Monday, and then we're just a couple of weeks away from the official start of fall, although it's feeling a little fallish outside this morning. So make sure you grab those jackets and sweatshirts as you head out the door first thing this morning. Temperatures in areas to the north of Grand Rapids have slipped down into the 40s, 49 also in Allegan, 48 degrees in South Haven, 53 in the meantime from Kalamazoo to Battle Creek and Grand Rapids, 52 in Hastings and Middleville. So we're tracking the cool Canadian air that will be with us for the next couple of days. We've got temps that'll be a little bit warmer tomorrow with a good deal of sunshine, and then another cool front coming through will produce widespread showers, perhaps even a rumble of thunder on Thursday. Sunny, dry weather building in day by day as we head into the upcoming Labor Day holiday weekend. Now here's a look at the satellite radar composite this morning. Just a couple of isolated sprinkles, especially along and south of the I-94 corridor, stretching from Benton Harbor, St. Joe, then over towards southeastern Calhoun County, over toward the Hillsdale area down into Coldwater. So as you can see here regionally, we have that overall flow in the atmosphere from northwest to southeast. And what that's doing is continuing to act as the conveyor belt for that cool Canadian air. Here's a look at the future track. A few isolated rain showers may develop as we head through the afternoon, especially in areas east of the US 131 corridor. Could be looking at a brief heavy downpour, but that would be the exception rather than the rule. Anything that does develop will be very limited and very brief, so not looking at widespread precipitation for today. In fact, I think we'll see another day with a mixture of clouds and sunshine in most places. Tomorrow morning, likely a few degrees cooler than today, so we'll likely be in the 40s just about everywhere tomorrow morning. And then during the course of the day tomorrow, we shift the winds just a little bit, and that will combine with the sunshine to boost those highs into the 70s once again. So today, we'll make it into the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, a few degrees warmer for tomorrow. Here's a look at Thursday, and you can see the widespread showers and thunder showers that will work through with a cool front. That brings us back into that shift to a northerly wind and temperatures that will be, again, around the 70-degree mark for a high before we start to warm up for that holiday weekend. Here's a look at those high temps today from East Grand Rapids to Walker and Spring Lake, a high near 70, 71 the forecast high in Zeeland, 69 in Rockford and Grand Haven, 70 from Granville to Lowell today. And as we check out conditions in Kalamazoo, Holland, upper 60s, 71 in Ionia, 70 the neighborhood forecast high in the Muskegon area. As you can see, Tuesday we will be looking at those water temps in Lake Michigan that have taken a huge drop. In fact, 50s at most of those beaches, 45 at the beach in Grand Haven. Waves likely building about 2 to 4 feet this afternoon, so we may see the yellow flags flying at the beaches. The beach hazard statement and small craft advisory shifted from Berrien County down to around the foot of Lake Michigan. 7-day forecast again, not many precip chances, and really the big story does become that warming trend building. Perfect timing for those of you with that long holiday weekend with high temps in the upper 70s to near 80.